Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a palette bingo with the Blend Bunny Surge palette. It is going to be in collaboration with my friend Becca. I will have her channel, her Instagram, and everything linked down below, but she is so beautiful. She is a panning queen, so if you guys love panning content, definitely go check her out. She's on top of it with the panning content. She's been doing it over on her Instagram and stuff as well, so definitely go check her out. We've done multiple collabs before. I just love her to death. I really hope I get to meet her in person one day. She is literally one of my best YouTube friends, and I'm so thankful for YouTube bringing us together. But we both ended up getting the Blend Bunny Surge palette. I also have the Blends palette. They had a bundle if you picked up both of them. So we both just decided to do a palette bingo with this. We weren't going to do reviews on it, but if you guys want my review, this is the most beautiful fall palette. Bright, but yet grungy. The mattes are blendable. These shimmers are like a creamy, metallic, foiled goodness, and it's just absolutely perfect, great quality, and I absolutely adore it, and 13 out of 10 recommend. Anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling for the intro here. I feel like I've rambled on a good amount. If you guys are interested in seeing what look we come up with for the palette bingo, then just keep on watching. Alright, so for the palette bingo, we picked 6 shades. Becca randomly generated 3 numbers. I randomly generated 3 other numbers. So I'll have that going on right here as I'm talking to you guys. So the shades Becca randomly generated were number 3, number 9, and number 28. The shades I generated was number 18, number 22, and number 24. I'm trying to think about what I want to do with this. I do have the dark green, so I know that I can get some darkness with that. And we've got 2 shimmers. I'm gonna take a minute and try to figure out what I want to do with this, and then I'll be right back. Alright, this is either gonna turn out okay or it's gonna just be a mess, and I'm gonna have to take all my makeup off before I go to work. We're gonna take the shade Cheeks, and we're going to apply this just in the crease first. We're gonna take Pulse, and we're going to apply this right in the outer part there. Guys, I really don't know what I'm doing here. I'm so lost with what to do with these shades. I'm gonna bring that in a little bit, like a halo eye, I guess, but we're not really doing a halo eye. I'm at a loss. I don't know how to use these shades together. Going back into Cheeks and blending a little bit higher. Then we're gonna take the shade Maybe, work that kind of in the middle, I guess. I hate this already, guys. I hate this so much. Then we're going to take Euphoric, and then we're going to pack that over the shade in the middle. I mean, all we had to do was use the shades, right? It doesn't say that we have to have it completely show. We'll take a little bit more of Maybe and just keep it up in the crease here so you can still kind of see it, so I didn't cheat too much. We still see it. There's a little pop of it. Now we're going to take Lush and run that on the lower lash line. I messed that up. Those wing angles are so different. Okay. Change the angle of that wing. Bring that in. I messed up royally trying to do this as eyeliner. I'll tell you that now. It's not even whatsoever. I can't do like liner with brushes. I just don't know how you guys do it. I try and I try and I fail. I'm just going to take more of it on a smaller brush and just kind of deepen it up out here. Smudge it so you guys can't really tell that it's a failed wing. Really deepen up that outer corner. You guys can still tell there's a failed wing there, but oh well. Taking a little bit more of that first baby pink pastel shade just to blend a little bit better. I think we're fixing it a little bit. It definitely made the eyes darker than they were bright. So I'm liking it better. I still don't know if I love it. I'm just trying not to be so pink for work because I don't love pink. And it's October. Why am I going to be bright? I'm going to be all grungy. We're going to take a little more of the Pulse shade, which is the UV purple. And we're going to bring that in here a little bit just because we blended it away a little bit with the green. I'm going to keep that in the inner corner. Then back with the shade Maybe. Keep that in the middle there. And then again, the tiniest bit of cheeks just to blend out at the outer part there with the green. Taking a little bit of Euphoric on my finger then and packing that on the lid. And then finally taking a little bit of Limitless. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of the lower lash line. Just for a pop of something. Taking a little more of Euphoric. And just popping it in the inner part there. And you know what? We're going to add some Limitless to the lid just in the outer part here just to have that a little bit more. And then just blending it so that the outer corner does not have the shimmer on there. And then lastly, just taking a little bit more of cheeks to blend out the lower lash line and smudge it out a bit so there's something lighter than just the dark green under my eyes. I'm torn on if I want to do an inner corner shimmer or just leave it as the matte shades, because if I use an inner corner shimmer, it's going to be something that's not in this palette. I might use like my face highlight for it. I don't know if that's technically cheating or not, but alright, so I just went and put blush, bronzer, and highlight on. I used the Benefit Cheek Leaders Pink Squad. Becca sent this to me, so I found it was only fitting. Plus, I think I am going to cheat and use the highlight shade called Tickle in my inner corner. It's got pink, but it's got like some gold reflect to it, so I feel like it would pair really well with the pinks and the greens in this eye look. It's what I have on my cheeks. So it's technically not an eyeshadow, but I don't know if it's technically cheating or not. We're going to take some of that on my finger and pop that in the inner corner. So this is the difference with the inner corner highlight. This is without. I definitely think the inner corner highlight pulls it together, so I'm sorry if it's cheating, but I definitely like it better with this. Alright guys, so I just popped on some mascara and this Essence Hollow Wow Dewy Lip Shine in Scarab Wings, just because it's a purpley gloss with some green, blue, golden flecks to it. I don't even know. It's beautiful. It's what's on my lips so you guys can kind of see. It's not a dark lipstick, which I didn't want to be too dark, but I kind of wanted something to pair with the eyes. So I think it's a good lip choice for it versus like a full-on like lip color or something. But let me know what you guys think of this final look. I definitely like it better at the end than where it started. So I'm really glad I messed up doing like eyeshadow liner so that I was able to grungify the lids versus just having the green on the lower lash line. So I definitely wanted to do something a little bit different than I normally would, because if I was going to do something like normal with these shades given, I would have done the greens and the purples on the top and did the tiniest bit of pink on the lower lash line. If I didn't mess up the wing liner and just had a bunch of pink at the top, I definitely think I would have hated it and wanted to take it off before work, but I think I like it enough to go to work in it. But let me know what you guys think. But I can't wait to see Becca's look, just to see how different we come up with looks using the same shades. And if you guys are interested in using these 6 shades in your own palette bingo, definitely do it and then tag us so we can go see it, just to see how different our looks turn out all using the same shades. But this was so fun. The palette is so unique, so fun, and just it's been a struggle for me to put this down. I want to use it all the time, but I know I have other palettes, so I have to like talk myself out of using this. I definitely want to try to do another palette bingo, whether I film it or just do it on my own, just to try to get some other color combinations that I probably wouldn't have thought of. Let me know what you guys think of this look and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to check out Becca's channel and her video linked down below. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!